This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to register a name trademark. First, understand that a trademark protects your brand's identity, like a name or logo, from unauthorized use. Federal registration provides significant legal advantages across the entire country. To start, you must conduct a comprehensive search to ensure your desired mark is available and not already in use by another business. Once your search is complete, the next step is to file an application with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, or USPTO. You'll need to clearly define the specific goods or services your trademark will cover. Additionally, you must submit a clear representation or drawing of your trademark, whether it's a word, phrase, or design, to be reviewed by an examiner. After filing, a USPTO examining attorney will review your application for compliance with all legal requirements. If approved, your trademark will be published in the Official Gazette, allowing third parties a period to oppose its registration. It's crucial to respond promptly and thoroughly to any office actions or requests for information from the examiner during this phase. Upon successful completion of the examination and opposition periods, your trademark will be officially registered, granting you exclusive rights nationwide. Remember, maintaining your registration requires periodic filings, typically every 5 to 6 years, to confirm continued use of your mark. This ensures your protection remains active. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home or office.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.